Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Webull on your laptop. First, download the Webull desktop application directly from their official website. Once installed, simply log in with your existing Webull account details. You'll then be greeted by the main dashboard, which you can easily customize to fit your trading preferences. It's a straightforward process to get started. Navigating the Webull desktop interface is intuitive. You'll find dedicated panels for your watch list, detailed charts, and order entry. Learning to use hotkeys can significantly speed up your trading actions. Additionally, the platform provides robust research tools and real-time news feeds, all designed to keep you informed and ready to make quick decisions. It's all at your fingertips. Placing trades on Webull desktop is simple and efficient. You can easily place market, limit, and stop-loss orders directly from the order entry panel. It's crucial to monitor your open positions and review your order history regularly to stay on top of your investments. Don't forget to set up custom alerts for specific price movements or important news events, keeping you informed without constant screen watching. Webull Desktop offers extensive customization options, allowing you to personalize your workspace with multiple layouts to suit your trading style. Dive into advanced charting tools and a wide array of technical indicators to enhance your analysis. For those looking to refine their skills, the paper trading feature provides a fantastic opportunity to practice new strategies without any financial risk. It's a powerful platform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.